In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover entry level on Glassdoor, beginner roles 2026. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. If you're redirected to a regional version of the site, that's fine, you'll still see the same core features. Once you're there, you can log into your account so you can save jobs and set alerts. If you're just browsing for now, you can skip the login and jump straight to the jobs section. Logging in simply gives you the benefit of saving your progress and getting notified about new roles later. On the homepage, look for the jobs option and click it. This takes you to the job search interface where you'll see two primary fields, one for the job title or keywords, and another for location. This is where the magic happens. In the search field, type entry level. That keyword helps surface roles designed for beginners. If you want to narrow it even more, you can add an interest area, like entry-level marketing, entry-level data analyst, or entry-level software. Keeping the term concise usually yields the cleanest results, and you can refine from there. Next, choose where you want to work. In the location field, select your country, a specific city, or set it to remote if you're open to working from anywhere. Remote filters are especially helpful if you're flexible on location, or if local entry-level opportunities are limited. Glassdoor will tailor the results to match your choice. Now you'll see a list of roles that match your search. Browse the titles and skim the short descriptions to spot a strong fit. Click a listing you like to open the full details. Take a moment to review the responsibilities, the basic qualifications, and any preferred skills. Many entry-level posts list fundamentals like communication, problem-solving, or familiarity with common tools instead of years of experience, which is a good sign for beginners. While you're on the listing, check the company rating and read a few reviews to understand culture, growth opportunities, and interview insights. You can also use the filters on the results page to refine by date posted, salary estimate, job type, or distance if applicable. Sorting by most recent helps you catch fresh openings. If you're signed in, you can save promising roles and revisit them later. That's it. By going to Glassdoor, opening jobs, searching for entry level, setting your location or remote, and browsing the results, you'll quickly surface beginner-friendly opportunities for 2026. Take your time, compare a few options, and keep refining your search until you find a role that feels right for you.